Hey Vikas, do mutual funds offer any tax advantages?
Yes, they do. For equity-oriented mutual funds, holding them for over 12 months qualifies the gains as long-term capital gains, LTCG, which are taxed at 12.50% on gains exceeding Rs 1.25 lakh. Selling within 12 months results in short-term capital gains, STCG, taxed at 20%.
And what about debt funds?
Debt funds, that is specified mutual funds, irrespective of the holding period, capital are taxed according to your applicable income tax slab.
Oh, interesting. Holding equity-oriented mutual fund investments longer helps with taxes.
Exactly. Additionally, equity-linked savings schemes (ELSS) offer tax deductions under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, up to Rs 1.5 lakh per financial year under the old tax regime.
Thanks, Vikas. That makes a lot of sense.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.